Oh, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product. And this is a little bit different because, well, it's about these plants, right? You know that there's sometimes during the year or during some type of the season where maybe you can't come and open these blinds. Maybe you're on vacation, or maybe you're in a place where you don't get a whole lot of sunlight or whatever, and you need to give these guys a good amount of light. Well, how about some growing lights, right? You clicked on this, so we already know what we're talking about. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box here. Let's see what's in the box. Now, I've already pulled a few items out just so you guys can see what's going on. We have the connection. So we have power supply here. Let me go ahead and get this undone so we can work with that. It's a rather short cable, but that's okay. Power supply. Now this cable is a bit longer, but this is a bit short. Then we have the lighting system itself with two protective covers and a split set of lights, so I guess you can angle it and point it to wherever you need. What's also pretty nice with this, I guess, is you have here a controller, and the controller, you can set it for the number of hours, and I believe it is 4 and 8 hours or 12 hours. You have also your percentage of brightness, yeah, and then it's at 25% intervals, and then just your straight on and off button. Okay, you will then take this and plug it into this, and that's how you become one main power source. Now, lastly, out of the box, there is another box in here, and we're pretty sure we know what this is, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. Yeah, it is a tripod. All right, wow, multiple levels. Let me guess, this is going to be, oh, a screw top. That will, yes, that will lock this in. Correct. Okay, and then you have a clamp here, so we can loosen this up bring that all the way down and lock her in. Set that up. Let's put this in. Probably be easier to spin the tripod, and it is. All right, so you lock it down. There we go. All right, now all we have to do is just place this in a position, I'm gonna say like so, where we're close to the outlet. Plug it in. We have a blue light down here that says that it's running. You have a blue light here, it looks that it's connected, and then all we need to do is turn on the light source, and both lights do work. All right, so this is the intent, to give your trees, bushes, plants, whatever it is that you need that little extra light whenever you need to. Now, let me shut off some lights so you can see it even better. Look at that. Very nice set of lights. Now, these are perfect for those plant lovers around the house where you need to grow your plants. You need them to give them a little more energy. Again, you're in a place where maybe you happen to live in a basement somewhere, you live somewhere where there's hardly any light. These guys will be perfect for it. Give it the right amount of light to give it a good little wash of light to give them their energy to grow. So really nice, really cool. I thought kind of like the tripod. It's got some height to it to get those up on those taller plants to give it that appearance like it's the sun in the sky, you know, that it's up and away, right? So you don't have a light shining straight on it, where you're not trying to figure out a way to get it up there. It's up pretty good. All right, I hope this was helpful for you. I appreciate your time, and I'm out.